Here's a little blast from the past. An old metal box fan or window fan. Certainly a favorite of mine growing up. They literally do not make them like this anymore. But at least it has a more safe grate on the front, unlike fans of earlier years where you put a child's hand there, oh, it was bad. But at least this, you've got a metal grate to kind of protect your fingers from the dangerous metal blades. Simple controls, off in the middle, high to the left, and low to the right. Notice the super thin electrical cord. There's no grounding here. We don't need no stinking ground. But look at these blades. They could cause some serious damage, I think. But the most beautiful thing about this fan was the wind-up. And as a child, I used to love to listen to that sound as it wound up. So I'm going to start it in low, because that's when the sound is more pronounced. And you can enjoy what this beautiful fan sounds like as it starts up. So here we go. See if it'll pick up on the camera. I'll try to keep it away from the microphone so you don't hear the whirring of the wind. Here we go. Ready? Now, I don't know if you could hear, hopefully it didn't make that muffling noise against the microphones on my cell phone, but that it was like a whistling, if you heard that, like a whirring, whistling intensification. It's just very exciting when you turn the fan on, like, what's happening? I don't know, I just love this fan. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and this is the Westinghouse fan from when I was a kid. Very, very cool.